So we're here fixing this Cressida Toyota 1985 with a blow engine. We're gonna remove it right now. You can see.
Supra engine,
Yeah, right.
full injection.
It's not good enough. It's not like new, but it's worth it. I like Cressida. I have another one here. This is 86, 1980, 1990, 1986. Not good with English right now. This is more beautiful, in painting than the other. So we're gonna switch engine, this one, to this one for now. Because I don't have the legal paper for the white one, not yet. So here you go. This is my mechanic, my friend mechanic. I don't know so much mechanic, but I'm learning. So like English, I'm learning. But here you go, man. I hope you enjoyed this video.